Everybody knows that a KitchenAid is great for baking and making desserts. But did you know that you can also use your KitchenAid for shredding proteins like chicken or pork for making barbecue sandwiches, chicken salad? Super easy. This is a KitchenAid hack from Carla Hall. I'm going to take the skin off my chicken, take the breast meat out. You can roast your own chicken or you can buy a rotisserie at the grocery store. You don't have to be so precious with it. You know, break it down into, big pieces. You don't have to worry about that. The mixer is really gonna do the work for you. You see, I'm not too precious with it. I have skin and meat flying everywhere. Try not to get any bones. It won't be the end of the world, but it's better to not be chomping down on a bone. Also, I like to save my bones for making stock. I'm gonna be using the paddle attachment. Let's put this on here like this. Lock it in. I'm gonna start out low. You don't wanna tear the chicken up. You really just wanna break it up a little bit. And because the mixer is so powerful, it does this in less than a minute. When I was a caterer, I had a lunch delivery service and I made chicken salad every single day. I did not know about this hack then. I was doing it all by hand. Okay. So check this out. Easy. Look at this. Here's a Carla tip. Now, while the chicken is still warm, I like to add just a little bit of vinaigrette so that the chicken can absorb all of that flavor and it gets locked in. Also, it stays really nice and juicy. Let's taste it. Yep, it's good. Thanks for watching.